Today I'm gonna unbox Logitech Peeble M350 wireless and Bluetooth mouse. I decided to buy this mouse because of the price, of course. The $25 price is really suitable for mouse, which I'm just gonna use for programming. And when I work through the remote, I really need right and left click. So that's why I decided to buy this mouse. For the batteries, we're gonna use IKEA Lada 2450 milliampere batteries, rechargeable, and this should let this mouse work for 180 hours. So let's unpack this. For some reason, the cheapest mouse packed so hard. This video should be named not unboxing, but trying to unbox. Oh, it says not 180 hours, but 18 months battery life. But I believe this only works if you connected it with the USB dongle that connects it through the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and I'm be connecting it through the Bluetooth. That means it's good use. It's gonna be a little bit more sensitive, and it's gonna use a lot more energy. Oh, okay, here we go. There's nothing right there. Place it to the side, to the dark side. Place it to the left side. Okay. And what do we have here? Have connection guide. Yes. Bluetooth. How to turn on. Press and hold. Green light means blue light means Bluetooth. Green light means USB dongle. Put it to the side. That's the proof. Should be important compliance. Why this should be important for me? Well, zero use, zero help, manual, class 1 laser product, nothing else. And here is the mouse itself. Oh, quite good. Oh, and the mouse is quite ergonomic. As you see, this side is more thicker than this side. That means the mouse is more comfortable to use. It's not like the Apple Magic Mouse when the middle part is the most highest and then it thins out on the either sides. That's why this mouse is gonna be more ergonomic and also being as small and as beautiful. As you see, you can use it with the left hand the same as with the right hand. Let's open up. Opens quite simply. Battery is included. Alkaline. Put it to the side. Don't waste our precious earth materials, and place battery, which is rechargeable. The top is magnetic and it comes out quite easily. Now it's on the synchronizing mode. Let's take our computer. Place the computer to the side. Go on the Bluetooth settings and try to connect Logitech Peeble. Here it is. We see a blue light. That means it's connected on the Bluetooth. And here we go. The mouse really works quite good. It's really quite comfortable to use. Thank you for watching this video.